Hello, I'm Kibron, and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. Creating a video with artificial intelligence usually means opening 5 or 6 different tools. One to write a story, another to generate images, another to animate them, another for the voices, and finally, an editor to try to make everything make sense. But today we're going to try a tool that promises to bring that entire process together in one place. You can explain an idea to it in a completely neutral way, develop the story with it, create characters, generate scenes, and then modify the result using a chat. And the most interesting thing is that it can generate cinematic videos of up to 5 minutes, keeping the same characters, voices, and styles across scenes. The tool is called OpenArt Director, and today we're going to create a video from scratch to see just how far it can go. To get in, you need to use the link that I'll leave for you in the first line of the description. It's important to access through that link because it's the specific link for this collaboration. Don't just search for OpenArt on Google, as you might end up entering from another page. When we enter, we find Director. Yes, a conversational tool for creating videos. The difference compared to many video generators is that here, you don't have to come in with all your prompts prepared or generate each shot independently. You can start with a very basic idea. For example, let's do it. All right, let's go. Let's tell it. For example, I want to create a cinematic trailer about an astronaut who wakes up alone in an abandoned space station and discovers that something is watching him. Let's tell it. There we have it, right? It talks with us and will do whatever we tell it to do. Basically, from here, Director can help us turn this idea into a complete story. It can develop the character, establish the conflict, organize the scenes, and build a narrative before starting to generate. It's like working with a creative collaborator to whom you can give directions throughout the entire process. Instead of constantly struggling with prompts or parameters, you can just tell it directly what you want to change. One option would be to say, well, for example, here it is, it's creating its story, right? And we're going to tell it what we want. We want, for example, the beginning to be, more mysterious. That would be perfectly fine. Add a scene where the protagonist finds a distress message and make the ending more impactful. We give it the instruction and Director refines the story through our conversation. I think this point is important because creating a nice clip with artificial intelligence is no longer that complicated. The real problem arises when you want to create a complete story. You generate a character in one tool, then you try to generate it again, and it no longer has exactly the same face. You change the shot and the setting is different. The clothes change, the voice doesn't match, or it just seems like each scene belongs to a different video. On top of that, you end up downloading images, importing clips, searching for voices, and putting everything together manually. OpenArt Director tries to replace this fragmented process with a single project where the story, characters, voices, visual style, and branding elements are all managed together. This should especially make it easier to create long videos with multiple scenes. Let's continue with the space trailer. The first thing we can do is ask it to structure the story. We can tell it to turn this idea into a trailer of about 1 minute that I want 6 scenes, a realistic science fiction aesthetic, and a constant build-up of tension. So let's give it to it just as we've said. We submit it, and here, Director should propose the complete structure for us. We told it to do it in 16:9, which is what was recommended and what I really wanted to see, and at the highest quality, okay? So I think it's gonna turn out pretty amazing. Now we can review the scenes and request. Look, here we have everything, okay? And request changes before spending time generating the video. For example, I don't know. It occurs to me that I'm going to modify the protagonist, okay? Let's modify the protagonist. Let's tell it that the protagonist should be about 35 years old, wear a worn-out white spacesuit, show signs of fatigue, and maintain exactly the same appearance throughout all the scenes. So, if you agree, let's give it these instructions. There it is. Perfect. And also, we can define the atmosphere as well, okay? that we want it to use. I mean, we can also add, for example, that it should use red emergency lights, dark corridors, cinematic shots, and a constant feeling of isolation. Let's add that as well. This way, it will do exactly what we ask the corrections we're requesting. We're defining a single story that is then divided into different shots. So, wonderful. Let's get to it. Director allows you to combine different types of content within the same project. Text, images, video, audio, music, and voice. For example, we could upload an image as a reference for, well, the character or the visual style we want to achieve. We could also upload music or an audio track so that the video is built around it. This is especially interesting for musicians because they can upload a song directly and use Director to create a music video that follows the rhythm and narrative of the track. But it can also be used for short films, trailers, micro dramas, product ads, UGC content, brand videos, content for social media, and explainer videos. You are not limited to just one type of video. Now it seems like we have everything the way we want it, or so it seems. So we're gonna tell it that it looks good and let it work to see what it comes up with. I'm telling you, one of the main promises of Director is consistency between scenes. The character, the voice, the products, the visual style, and the brand elements should remain consistent throughout the entire project. Additionally, it can create videos up to 5 minutes long as a single piece, instead of being limited to generating only a few second clips. Currently, it uses Sedans 2.0 as the default generation model. Let's take a moment to see exactly what it gives us at this specific point in time, which basically, wow, it provides us with all the characters, right there. And it also identifies the specific locations, which I honestly think are really cool, incredibly cool features to have here. So, looks good, let's keep going. Well, that's it, it's already done it for us. Let's see the result. Wow. Wow! In our specific case, we can carefully check if the intricate details of the suit, the protagonist's expressive face, and the overall moody atmosphere of the space station remain perfectly consistent from one scene to the next. I personally think that is absolutely awesome. Honestly, what surprises me the most isn't just the high quality of an individual shot, it's the fact that the video manages to maintain a remarkably coherent and steady visual direction throughout the entire sequence, which is a very difficult feat to achieve. Obviously, as with any video generator, there will be results that need adjustments. But here, we can request these adjustments directly within the project itself. Suppose there's a scene we're not happy with. Well, we can change it. It's just spectacular. The final result, to me, seems spectacular. I find it absolutely impressive, okay? But as I said, we could go scene by scene and change things, whatever we feel like in each of the scenes. For example, we could tell it, I don't know, to zoom in on the protagonist, to increase the intensity of the red lights, anything, to say the creature appears too soon, to keep only its silhouette in the background of the hallway, I don't know. We can also work from the timeline. I mean, we could go to the timeline and tell it things right here. From the timeline, we can make more precise changes to the shots. This allows us to use the chat to edit naturally, but still have professional control when you need to adjust specific scenes. This is where I had quite a curious feeling. It doesn't feel like you're just entering prompts or manually assembling clips. You're describing what you want, reacting to the result, and directing the story scene by scene. I would call this beef directing. It's basically the audiovisual equivalent of beef coding, right? You converse with the tool and shape the project as you go. Another interesting point is that you can assign different voices to specific characters and keep them throughout the entire video. Director supports more than 8 languages, including Spanish, English, French, German, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin, and Cantonese. It also features phoneme-level lip sync, which can be useful for creating dialogues or adapting a project to different markets. Additionally, it retains memory of the project. This means that even if you work on it for several days or weeks, it should preserve the character's creative decisions, style, and the evolution of the story. You don't need to explain the entire context again every time you return to the video. Although the example we've created is a trailer, I think one of the most interesting applications is in commercial content. A company can upload its visual references, products, and brand guidelines to generate ads while maintaining a consistent identity. You could create a cinematic product commercial, UGC content, different variants for social media, or even an entire campaign without having to hire a traditional production for each piece. It can also be useful for independent creators who want to produce more ambitious stories without having a full team of writers, animators, voice actors, and directors. The idea is to bridge the gap between having an idea and being able to turn it into a finished video. Honestly, after trying it, I think OpenArt Director stands out mainly for 3 reasons. The first is that the entire creative workflow is contained within a single project. The second is the ability to develop and modify the story through a conversation without having to manage dozens of technical parameters. And the third is consistency between shots, which remains one of the biggest challenges when trying to create long stories with artificial intelligence. This doesn't mean that every result will come out perfect on the first try. You'll still have to experiment, give directions, and correct some scenes. But it's precisely this ongoing conversation that makes the experience feel more like directing a video than just generating isolated clips. To check out the plans, you can go through the link I've left in the description. The most cost-effective tier that OpenArt wants to highlight is the Wonder Plan. This one here, the annual one, of course, especially for those who are going to use the platform frequently. Remember that the correct link will be placed in the first line of the description. Go through the link to access OpenArt and take a look at Director. You can try creating a short film, a commercial, a music video, or any story you have in mind. I recommend starting with a simple idea and then letting the conversation help you develop the rest. Because as we've seen, this isn't just about writing a prompt and waiting. You're making decisions, modifying scenes, and directing the project in real time. You're doing live directing? See you in the next video. Leave a like. I'm Kieron and I'm here to serve you.